Hello food enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna dive into the world of homemade sausages with an exciting tool that's set to elevate your kitchen game. The VEVOR manual sausage stuffer maker. Crafted from durable stainless steel and boasting a 5-liter capacity, this stuffer is the trusted companion for both home chefs and commercial connoisseurs. So whether you're gearing up for a big family barbecue or prepping for your bustling restaurant's menu, don't miss out as we put the VEVOR manual sausage stuffer maker to the test. Stay tuned and let's get stuffing. A sturdy build and safe food grade material. The VEVOR manual sausage stuffer maker is constructed with durability in mind, boasting a solid stainless steel body, base, cylinder and stuffing tubes. All components in contact with food adhere to SGS food hygiene standards, ensuring a safe sausage making experience without the need for any installation process. Efficient filling and stuffing speed modes. This efficient stuffer features two speed modes, a fast speed for loading the cylinder and a slow speed that works best for stuffing casings. The inclusion of an ergonomic handle makes the operation smooth, reducing the effort needed to create perfect sausages. Versatile stuffing tubes for various needs. With the inclusion of 5 different size stuffing tubes, the VEVOR stuffer caters to a wide range of sausage sizes. Whether you're making small snack sticks or larger churros, this stuffer is ideal for both commercial and home use. Spacious cylinder and hassle-free maintenance. The VEVOR sausage stuffer features a 5-liter stainless steel cylinder, presenting ample space to minimize refills and save on preparation time. Cleanup is just as effortless thanks to its removable parts that make it easy to maintain hygiene. Thoughtful design and usability. Designed with practicality in mind, the vertical setup can be secured to any countertop. The robust pressure plate resists deformation, while the sealing ring efficiently prevents air from entering or escaping during use. The locking mechanism is a reliable feature to prevent leaks, ensuring smooth operation. Verdict: priced competitively, the VEVOR manual sausage stuffer maker offers great value with its 5L capacity. It may be the second stuffer of this size for the reviewer, following a previous purchase from a different brand. While it has a less robust handle and the seal isn't as durable, the VEVOR stuffer compensates with its affordability and adequate performance for extensive, albeit annual, sausage making sessions. Things to consider. Potential buyers should be aware that the product may have sharp edges which could benefit from additional finishing for enhanced safety.